What if soda was all you drank? Welcome to Daily Damage. Your body starts crumbling. Soda isn't water. Dehydration risk. Caffeine steals fluids. Your body wilts. 1 can, 40 grams sugar. 6 a day, your blood sugar skyrockets. Energy spikes, then crashes. You're drained, irritable, caught in a brutal cycle. Acid erodes teeth quick. Cavities feast. Your mouth's under siege. Bloating, gas, distress. Gut bacteria misfire. Soda upsets your belly. Calories turn to fat. Belly grows. Soda leaves you hungry. Phosphoric acid depletes calcium. Bones weaken, even in just a week. Kidneys struggle. They filter, fight. Risk of kidney stones looms. Insulin resistance builds fast. Diabetes begins its sneaky journey. Triglycerides rise. Inflammation swells. Heart health suffers. Silently. Brain fog rolls in. Irritability spikes. Mood swings dominate. But here's the shocker. Liver under attack, akin to alcohol binge. Day 1. Sugar rush, caffeine crash. Soda cravings ignite. Day 2. Thirst lingers. Soda can't quench it. Dehydration deepens. Day 3. Gut discomfort spikes. Irritability reigns. Concentration slips. Day 4. Teeth ache. Bones weaken. Sensitivity is palpable. Day 5. Pancreas struggles. Liver loads. Insulin resistance builds. Day 6. Inflammation spreads. Joints ache. Skin breaks out. Day 7. Headaches. Fatigue. Body in crisis. Screams for water. Soda hijacks reward system. Cravings and withdrawal symphony. Zero nutrients. Empty calories. Soda depletes, leaving you wanting. Acidity disrupts pH balance. Organ systems face the stress. 7 days effects linger. What damage remains? Chronic sugar shrinks your brain. Cognitive function impaired. Imagine syrupy blood. Vessels suffer. Heart risks rise. Body in constant emergency. Systems stressed. Exhausted. Soda's a false friend. Refreshment cloaks an insidious attack. Energy boost myth debunked. Crash comes quicker. Hits harder. Convenience costs health. Pleasure now, pain later. Body screams for balance. Sugar and acid drown the plea. Vicious craving cycle. Soda traps you. Harder to break. Inflammation spreads silently. Chronic diseases build within. Taste buds rewired. Natural flavors seem bland now. Every choice ripples. Soda is small. Impact colossal. Now you know why. Soda's no treat, but a systemic assault. The body can heal. Reintroduce water. Reverse soda's impact. Rehydrate first. Pure water flushes toxins, restores balance. Probiotics. Fiber aid digestion. Gut begins healing journey. Whole foods stabilize sugars. Balance prevents future spikes. Mindful choices matter. Small steps lead to long-term health. Water's power underrated. It's essential, free, vital. Your body, your temple. Choose wisely. Protect it. Simple truths transform health. Know what serves you. Thought about soda differently? Subscribe. New videos weekly. Stay healthy. See you soon.